Recognition event. In this event, our colleges performed a number of tasks, and one of them, under the header of sustainability, is the presentation on biodiesel. So I would like to invite Professor Pramod Jadhav sir to come forth and give a presentation on biodiesel in front of us.
What else Sujni say about doing the presentation of biodiesel? It is also very important to keep the awareness or to have the awareness about the water fuel we are using presently. That is the present scenario, means which fuels we are using presently for running the vehicles, also for running the industries, and also what amount of fuel or which amount of fuel. Its pure form is B100 or blended with petroleum diesel. Common blends include about 2% of biodiesel. The common blends are B2, B5 and B20. These are researched by some scientists, means when they work with the animal fats available and vegetable oil, mixture of vegetable oil or alcohol with fuel. What biodiesel is related with animal fat, that is particularly the best. It is not prepared for any useful product, means it is useful by means of energy. If we have to extract some energy from the animal fat and vegetable oil, we have to do transitification, from which crude biodiesel can be extracted. Here ethanol recovery can be done, which means when the process of vegetable oil and animal fat is to be done for recovery of biodiesel. Here we can also recover ethanol, we can also recover the glycerin, means here glycerin can be separated, that is crude glycerin can be obtained from the biodiesel. The current uses of biodiesel. 2007, the Royal train has operated successfully on B100, that is 100% biodiesel product, fuel supplied by Green Fuels Limited. Okay. In January 2009, it was announced that the Disneyland would be running all trains. Are you listening? Disneyland is running all trains on biodiesel manufactured from its own 20% of solar jet and 60% of petroleum derived jet fuel. Means one of the Boeing aeroplane which was just flew in 2011, November 7, with the help of biodiesel and petroleum, that is mixing two fuels, the particular jet was flew, and use of biodiesel to treat it is biodegradable, means it is non-toxic, which is very important. Then favorable emission profile, means what are the emissions of burning or after burning the biodiesel which are favorable, means within the particular limits of air pollution. It is renewable, it is volatile, means petroleum products are volatile, they means react with the air and get volatile, means in vaporize. So this is very less in case of biodiesel. So we can utilize the biodiesel more than petroleum products. Also scalability is there. Current feedstock technology limits large scalability. Different biodiesels have different results, means we can produce different types of biodiesels which are having high efficiency, which are having some medium efficiency and low efficiency, higher cetane and UGC, etc. Its cetane number and flash point is high, so we can ignore the point of low energy content. Poor cold weather performance, means if the weather is cold, so its performance is somewhat poor, but this can be mitigated by blending with diesel fuel, because diesel fuel can work better in low weather conditions also, or with additives or using low gel point feedstock such as rapeseed and canola can keep the environment clean. So in the view of keeping the environment clean or to reduce the air pollution, it is very important to increase the use of biofuel.